Ever needed a quick, fun way to grab attention in your videos or presentations? In this tutorial, I'm showing you how to create an animated speech bubble effect that can add personality and style to any project, whether it's for a class, business presentation, or even your social media account. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create a simple but fun animated video using Canva, complete with moving speech bubbles. Whether you're working on a presentation for a class, work, or some other project, this tutorial is going to show you how to get it done easily. We'll start by setting the scene. I'll be searching for a room background in Canva's Elements tab, perfect for a school presentation. I'll show you how to enlarge it and place it in the right spot. Next, we'll find a desk and add a teacher to complete our classroom setup. I'll even show you how to tweak the character by changing the colors of their clothes and adjusting their position for a more personalized look. Once our room is in place, it's time to add the star of the show, a speech bubble. I'll show you how to resize it, add your text, and more for a playful touch. Let's add a speech bubble. I'm going to resize it a little. Now, let's go to text. We'll add this in here and change the font. We'll use Comic Sans for now. But we're not stopping there. Next comes the animation. So, click the speech bubble, go to Animate, then choose Typewriter. And then click on these three buttons, go to Show Timing, and now we're going to have it show up a little bit later. And we'll do the same thing for here. We'll make it even a little bit shorter, so this will pop up first, and then this will text second. Let's see how that goes. Nice! By adjusting the timing and syncing the effects, you'll create a perfectly animated speech bubble intro in no time. An animated speech bubble mini video can be a versatile tool for a variety of scenarios. Here are several possibilities where it would come in handy. Lastly, I want to share a few examples with you to get your creative juices flowing. You can find these inside Canva. They're not all speech bubble videos, but you get the basic idea. Experiment, have fun, and see what you can make. The possibilities are endless. I hope this tutorial inspires you to get creative with your animations. Now it's time for you to give it a try and bring your projects to life. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.